What up, YouTube? Dope that back here with another video. We're gonna be installing some weatherproof mats today in the homie's truck, so stay tuned. Perfect. These are the mats, guys. Company hit me up, ISSYAUTO. They told me that they had some weatherproof mats they would love to have me review. It was only for the newer trucks. So I told them, I was like, well, I can still, review them. I got a homie who just got a new truck. Hit up the homie. He said he was down. So he's coming over right now. We're about to install these, give our honest opinion about them, see how easy the installation is. And then he's gonna be going off-roading this weekend. So I'm gonna be testing out the mats pretty much, seeing how they hold up with the dirt and everything. So that's what they're for, pretty much, for all the dirt and water spillage. And he doesn't want to damage his OEM mats on the new truck. So I'm gonna hook him up. This company hooked me up. We're gonna do this review. We're gonna give it this weekend to see how the mats held up. I'll leave the link down in the description, guys, if you guys want to catch yourself some of these mats. They're actually pretty cheap for the full set. It was less than 200 bucks. Make sure to get yourself some mats. But yeah, guys, I'm just waiting for him to pull up, and then we'll get this installation started. Alright, guys, so right now we're just gonna be checking out the stock floor mats that came in with the truck. So you can tell they're just the carpet kind, nothing too fancy. Front and rear. And pretty much for this installation, all we gotta do is remove the stock ones and put the new ones on top. So on these, as you can tell, they have the little grommets, clips. We'll be popping those off. And then the new ones will just pop right in as well. So, test number one. This will be the driver's side. Yeah, that was actually pretty good.
What's it called? We're gonna go off-roading on Saturday. So.
Yeah, I heard on your chat, and then I told him what we can do, the weekend videos, see how they came out or what you thought about them. So we'll do the same thing with the other side. You want to go ahead and take off the other side? And this one doesn't have any of those little pins or clips, so it'll just slide in. Look at that. It's like a glove, guys. And these are all 3D printed to fit like a glove, so that's why they look so good. Now we'll do the rear. The rear is just one long piece. That way it covers the middle, because on the stock ones, they don't even give you anything to cover the middle. Is it that way? Yeah. Or is it the other way? Yeah. It's gonna take a minute to form, because obviously it's like...
It was folded when it got shipped?
Yeah, it was folded in a box when it got shipped. So maybe after a week it'll get formed into it. Or we can even... Yeah, we can even leave it outside, like in the sun. That's actually what we used to do when I used to work at the seat cover place. When people ordered these, we would leave them outside in the sun for like 15 minutes. We got all loose and formed everything.
Or even like a heat gun or a hairdryer.
Yeah, that too. Obviously, but we were hot outside, so.
Or what we can do is we can close all the doors, turn the heater on, and full blast it.
Oh, shit, that too, huh?
Put it all on the floor.
Yeah, that could work.
You think it'll work?
Yeah, probably put. You have anything heavy? Maybe we can also put something on top.
These rocks outside your house.
That works. Yeah, look, these. I was talking about these bricks. So this is the theory, guys. We're not sure if it's gonna work, but we're gonna turn on the heater in the truck, lock the doors, and see if that softens up the mat. We'll let you know if it works out or not. I wonder if you can tuck these in into the floor mat. I don't know like how that looks over there on that side. What do you guys think, guys? Should Calvin drop the truck first or color match it? I think it already looks clean without a color match. I think he really needs a drop. What drop are you trying to go with?
511. 511, 510.
Sick. You'll definitely see this truck more on the channel, guys.
1 hour later.
Are they warm?
This one is. Probably not that one because it has to go through the...
Hey, it actually worked. I think the brakes helped. Look.
I think in the summertime it's gonna form.
Yeah, even more. And like people stepping on it, obviously. Alright, guys, well, that was the installation. Now we're just gonna wait till this weekend while he goes off-roading, tests them out.
Perfect.
We'll see how durable they are. Oh, that little lip right there? Yeah, I was looking on that side too. I was like, fuck. I was like, I wonder if you can tuck that or something.
I think they use a heat gun. Because if you heat it up, it'll get like soft. Like, kind of like a pancake when you freshly cook it. And it'll stay down and maybe it'll stay that form.
Yeah, maybe. Let's see what's up.
This is my 2018 GMC Sierra. We did a trial on the floor mats. And we did about a 7-day trial on them. Show you what it looks like. We went off-roading, put the kids in here, put the wife in here. And you know what? Not bad. Trapped all the dirt. Carpet is still clean. Protects the life of your carpets inside your vehicle. I like it. I can't complain at all. I do highly recommend these floor mats. They're pretty damn good. So I highly recommend these ones. Definitely more bang for your buck.
Perfect.